Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook chicken and corn soup. I have 250 grams of minced chicken. This is homemade minced chicken. I use chicken breast meat with the skin on for extra flavor. 2 egg white, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 1 yellow onion chopped, 50 grams of cold butter, 2 pieces of bay leaf, half tablespoon of salt, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 stalk of spring onion chopped, 550 grams of corn kernel. This is extracted from 3 corns. I have 1 liter of water and also olive oil. Ingredients are ready. Let's go and cook it. In a preheated pan, I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Put in the garlic. We will fry the garlic just for a bit until it's fragrant, just for about 30 seconds. Garlic has released a nice aroma and soft. Now I'm putting in yellow onions. Continue to cook for another 30 seconds until the yellow onion become slightly soft. Onion and garlic is soft. I'm putting in the chicken. Just going to sprinkle about half teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. Put in half of the pepper. Put in butter. Bay leaf. Give it a stir. When we do homemade minced chicken, right, when we cook the chicken, it tends to lumps together like this. So we need to separate them as much as we can. Now I'm going to put in all the corn kernel. Put in the balance of the pepper and balance of the salt. Give it a stir. Just continue to stir fry for about 1 minute for all the ingredients and all the seasoning well combined. Now we're going to add in the water. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. After about 8 minutes, see now the corn soup is boiling, and let it continue to boil for another 15 minutes. While waiting for the corn soup to cook, we're going to prepare the flour. So I have about half a cup of water here. I'm going to mix it with tapioca flour. I'm going to give it a stir. We prepare the flour solutions to help in thicken the soup. If you don't like the thick soup, you can skip this step. Flour solution is ready. I'm going to put it aside. After 15 minutes, look at the soup. It looks so yummy. Now I'm going to remove some of the corn and the chicken and put in the bowl. Just like this, and then put it aside. So we're going to switch off the heat, remove the bay leaf as well. Alright, I'm going to use the hand blender to blend the corn and the chicken inside the pot directly. very nice and thick for the corn soup. After blending, I put it back onto the stove and switch on the heat. I'm going to add in the balance of the water, 300 ml of water. Pull back the corn and the chicken that we take it out just now. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the corn soup is boiling. I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, very delicious. At this stage, if you want to add more salt or pepper, you can do so. But for this corn soup, it's really delicious. Now I'm going to add in the flour mix to thicken the corn soup. Okay, now we're going to add in the egg white. Okay, switch off the heat. That's really delicious corn soup. It's really very nice fragrant. Last, I'm going to put in the spring onions. So lovely. Delicious taste of the sweetness from the corn, yellow onions, and also the chicken. It's buttery fragrance with the hint of the fragrance of the bay leaf. It's very light and it's perfect as a starter to the main course. And it has a bit of pieces of corn kernel and also the chicken that we put in. It will go well with toast bread, or you can enjoy it even by itself. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.